All right, welcome back everyone, Brighton here, and today we're gonna be installing my carbon front lip on my 2018 440i. Let me go ahead and get my little lighting on. So this is the whole box. Funny enough, this is just, that's how light it is. It's just so light that you can't even, it's so easy to pick up. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this down, and then we are gonna unbox this right now. So let's go ahead and unbox this here. Yes, I am in slides. And I think that this is gonna be a nice, easy unbox. These parts weigh basically nothing, so that's how you know the real car, man. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up now. And let's get the two down here. I think it's gonna look very nice. Okay, here it is. We have a whole lot to go through, but let's go ahead and just take these out one at a time. So, I actually think I'm going to use this cardboard to lay underneath the car. Okay, let's go ahead and cut through all this. This is what we're using to lay down under the car with. So, I believe, yeah, this is the spoiler, which is just incredibly light, as it should be with every other carbon part. Let's go ahead and put this on top of the car. So, this is the spoiler. Let's go and rip this off. So it's going around. They really wrap this thing good for how durable carbon is. I wouldn't think you need to wrap it as much, but here we go, moment of truth. How great does this look? Oh wow, this is nice. Here we go. I think this is called a PSM style. I could be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, you guys. But let's be careful not to scratch anything here. Okay, here it is. Let's just go ahead and get a look at this. It looks unbelievable. Let's mock it up on the back of the car. This is made for the convertible. Just go ahead and mock it up right there. Okay, there it is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but not so bright, but that's how it's gonna look. From this side, it's gonna look like this. And yeah, that sits nice and snug. That's great, okay. You can just leave this here. This honestly feels like it's gonna blow away. That's how light it is. All right, let's go ahead. We'll leave this here. And I want to get on this front lip because I know this front lip is gonna be crazy aggressive. So give me 1 second to unbox this, you guys, and I'm gonna lay it down right in front here. Okay, it's actually wrapped in like this cloth, but it is so soft cloth actually, but let's go ahead. Give me 1 second here, you guys. Oh my God, wow. Look at that, you guys. That looks crazy. I gotta get this thing on, but I'll see you guys after because my camera is about to die. So I'll see you guys after. All right, so we have the front lip installed and it looks crazy. This is the look from the front. I really want to get some videos with it, but this is the look from the front. It looks crazy along with the mirrors. And here's the spoiler. Spoiler looks pretty crazy too. And this is it from the back. Pretty normal, actually. Pretty normal spoiler. type of thing that people do on 4 Series cars. And yeah, just looks crazy insane with everything on it. So just looks crazy. Anyway, that's basically it for the install. You guys will have to see more in my YouTube shorts, TikTok. You know, go visit it all. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.